Welcome everyone. I'm Professor Sarah Hews, and before we get started on our calculus journey, I want to tell you a little bit about what it is that I do and how it is connected to calculus. I study systems and how quantities in those systems change, usually over time. Some of the quantities that I study include the number of infected individuals each day of a global pandemic, the amount of infected cells in the liver of a hepatitis B patient, the amount of microbes and different forms of nitrogen in a constructed wetland that is naturally cleaning water, and the body temperatures of fiddler crabs throughout a season and how those body temperatures change in response to climate change. All of these quantities change, usually over time, and we can describe the magnitude of those changes quantitatively. But what is really interesting to me is why those quantities are changing. What is happening in the underlying system that leads to the changes that we are observing? So I build mathematical models to explore what the major factors are that could be responsible for the observed change. This calculus journey will really focus on how quantities are changing, and that includes how quantities are accumulating. So for example, we could consider how many total people are infected at any day of a pandemic, how much total carbon has accumulated in the atmosphere each year. If you are interested in learning more about why quantities are changing, then after learning calculus, I encourage you to explore mathematical modeling and applied mathematics.